Why don't you take everything off of potato? Take everything off. Okay, when you hear the sound, put on the first body part. Which should we start with? Eyes. Okay, here it comes. That was so tiny. Good work. Grab another one. Should we do an arm? Okay, here we go. That was it. Nice work. Perfect. Look at that. What's next?
There we go, Mr. Potato.
Perfect. What's next? Hat. Okay, here we go. Perfect. All right, the experiment's going really well so far. Here's a different sound. Let's wait. Sometimes we have to wait a long time. Yeah, that was really tiny. Nice job.
I didn't even hear it.
Well, you didn't? Well, we can't put it on till we hear it.
Don't
Here.
put it on, Allie, until you hear it. Take it off.
No.
Okay, leave the nose on. Let's do a different body part. Are you ready? Which one's next? Great.
This or this.
Okay. This is a soft one. Are you ready? Awesome. That was super tiny.
Did you hear it this time, Allie? Good job.
That was consistent, actually. This is a different sound, so a different experiment. Are you ready? Okay, what's next? I think he needs an ear. Does he have any ears? Maybe we put some glasses on. Let's wait. Let's wait.
This is ear.
Let's do it. That could be an ear. All right.
Ow.
There we go. All right, here it comes. Did you hear it that time? Wow, that was super tiny. I'm really impressed. Okay, let's do the glasses next. Yeah.
Or this.
Or that. Okay. Did you hear it? Okay.
What did it sound like?
He's a weird potato.
Yeah? Are you a
Okay.
scientist?
All right, Dr. Allie, are you ready? What's next? Glasses?
No.
You want to do the potato again?
Oh, I know. Apple.
All right. Which one's next?
What are you going to do next?
I think you should put an arm in his ear. More eyes?
Actually.
Perfect. Okay, here it comes. There was nothing there, silly goose.
Allie Bel.
Allie
Take
Bel.
that out of his butt.
Miss Allie, or Dr. Allie, we have to wait for the sound. Here, I'll give you a big one. You didn't, because there was nothing there.
Yes, I did.
What did you hear?
I heard it.
All right, should we do potato again? All right, take everything off. Here we go.
What?
You